to enable or disable show tabs on the screen on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. So here click on Settings App. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Developer option. So after click on Developer option, scroll down and click on Quick Setting Developer Tools. So you will see Quick Setting Developer Tools is here. So click on Quick Setting Developer Tools. So you will see Show Tabs is here. So if you want to enable Show Tabs, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see Show Tabs is enabled. So if you want to disable Show Tabs, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see Show Tabs is disabled. So you will enable or disable Show Tabs from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can enable or disable show tabs on the screen on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.